Good morning, students. Welcome to our class 4th EVS part 2 Work of the Sant. In previous part, we have studied about different Sant. Today, we are going to study about Santa Eknath. Okay, this is the picture of Santa Eknath. What he did, life history of Sant Eknath, what he had done in his whole life, that will be today we will see. Okay, life history of Sant Eknath. Sant Eknath carried on the work started by Sant Namdev and Sant Jnaneshwar, who has started work started by Sant Namdev and Sant Jnaneshwar. Sant Eknath carried on the work started by Sant Namdev and Sant Jnaneshwar. Where he is living, Sant Eknath Maharaj? Sant Eknath Maharaj, he lived in Paithan. Okay, he preached that the way to reach God was through devotion. Bhakti Marga means if we want to achieve something from God, or if we want to reach towards the God, what should we have to do? We should give our devotion. We should do bhakti. The only one way to reach God is the Bhakti Marga. Understood? He wrote numerous religious songs, Abhanga, Ovids and Bharud. What he wrote? He wrote numerous religious songs like Abhanga, Ovids and Bharuds. What is the work of Sant Eknath? Sant Eknath, he advised to the people was not to accept any distinction of high and low level. It means now also we also see that in our religions sometimes some peoples are poor, some are rich, some are in good environment. He advised to people was not accept any distinction. He advised to the people each people are in equal manner. He made friends with the poor and downtrodden and tough and taught them devotion to God. What he did? He made friends with poor and downtrodden and taught them to devotion to God. How to devote to God, he taught to the other peoples. He exhorted the people to love all living beings and practiced what he preached. Okay. One of the story of Sant Eknath related to love and equality, today we will see. One day he was going to river Godavari for a bath. One day he was going to river Godavari for a bath. It was noon and very hot. It was afternoon and the sun was very hot. What happened that time? The sand bed along the riverside was very hot too. He heard the crying of a poor child sitting on the hot sand. What he heard? He heard one of the child was crying on that hot, sitting on that hot sand. Eknath looked around and saw the child. Sant Eknath Maharaj, he looked around who is crying here and he saw that child. He rushed to him and looked around for child's parents. What he did? He looked around for child's parents. Where is his parents? Where are they? He picked up the child in his arm, wiped his tears and reached him alone. In this way, By this personal example, Eknath Maharaj impressed the message of love and equality on the mind of the people. Means in our region, everyone is equal. No one is poor, no one is in distinction, no one is in lower level. Okay, in this way, by this personal example, Sant Eknath Maharaj message of love and equality on the minds of people. Okay, thank you.